Welcome to Biology at Pryojit, my dear viewers. Today we step into the fascinating world of Pteridophytes, one of the most important groups of lower vascular plants. In this class, we will discuss the characteristic features of Pteridophytes, their modes of reproduction, classification according to Gifford and Foster 1989 to up to order level, evolutionary trends within the group, and their affinities with bryophytes. So we will also cover a brief account of important genera including Psilotum, Selaginella, Equisetum, Pteris and Marsilea. So watch carefully because this unit is extremely important for B.Sc students, competitive examinations and for building a clear conceptual understanding of plant evolution. General characteristics of pteridophytes. Pteridophytes are basically seedless vascular plants. They are first true land vascular plants and they are known as vascular cryptogams. Important features: they are sporophytic plant body which is dominant. Their main plant body is diploid or 2N. They are independent and photosynthetic. They have true roots, stems and leaves present. Unlike bryophytes, they have well developed vascular tissue. Their vascular tissue is present, whether it is xylem, which is mostly tracheids, and phloem. There is no companion cells. They have no flowers or no seeds. They reproduce only by means of spores. Alternation of generations. They have dominant sporophytic stage, and the gametophytic stage is small but independent usually. And their habitat, mostly they are mostly moist and shady places. Some aquatic genera like Marsilea. Reproduction in pteridophytes. Reproduction occurs by vegetative reproduction by means of fragmentation, forming tubers with the help of equisetum, which is found in equisetum, and rhizome growth. Asexual reproduction, which is performed by means of spores. Their sporangia produce spores. Spores are formed after meiotic cell division. There are basically two types of spores: homospory, where only one type of spores are formed, example Psilotum, Equisetum and Pteris; heterospory, where two types of spores are formed, like microspores found in male and megaspores found in female. So examples include Selaginella and Marsilea. So important concept here is heterospory is a precursor to seed habitat. Sexual reproduction, they involves alternation of generations. Their sporophytic or 2N stage produces spore which develops into gametophyte, which is N or prothallus. They are small green heart-shaped in fronds. They bears antheridia, male, and archegonia or female. So their fertilization requires water. So the zygote is converted into embryo, and from embryo new sporophytes are found. Classification by Gifford and Foster in 1989 up to order, according to Ernest M. Gifford and Adrian S. Foster 1989, that division Pteridophyta can be divided into four classes. Class Psilopsida, the order order includes Psilotelis, example Psilotum. Their feature: they have no true root. Their dichotomous branching is found in their leaf, and the synangium is present. Class Lycopsida, order includes Lycopdialis, Selagianalis and Isotelis. Examples include Selaginella. The features include microphyllous leaves, heterospory present in Selaginella. Class Sphenopsida, Equisetalis, example Equisetum, features jointed stem and their silica deposition, strobilus are present. Class Pteropsida or Philicopsida, their order includes Phylicalis, Martialis and Salvinialis. Examples include Pteris and Marsilea. They have features long leaves or megaphylls, sarcinate verniciation and sori are present. Evolutionary trends in pteridophytes. Important evolutionary advancement: they have development of vascular tissue, evolution of true roots, they transition from microphyll to megaphyll, they have shift from homospory to heterospory. So reduction of gametophyte, beginning of seed habit, which is found in heterosporous forms. Their affinities with bryophytes. Similarities: they show alternation of generations, they show oogamous reproduction, and water is required for their fertilization. So they have multicellular archegonia. So differences between bryophytes and pteridophytes. Bryophytes, there is gametophyte is dominant, and in pteridophytes the sporophytic stage is dominant. In among the bryophytes there is no vascular tissue, but among pteridophytes vascular tissue is present. In among the bryophytes there is no true roots. Among the pteridophytes the true roots are present. Brief account of important genera. Psilotum features there is no true root. Rhizoids are present. Dichotomous branching. Sylangium. Three fused sporangia are found. They are homosporous. Significance they are primitive vascular plant. Selaginella. Selaginella, their features include microphylls with ligule, heterosporous, their strobilus are present, rhizophore present, they show beginning of seed habit. Equisetum, their features include jointed stem, silica deposition occurs in the stem, their leaves are whole, they are homosporous, strobilus is present at the apex, their common name is horsetail. Uh, Pteris, their features include true fern, rhizome, they have megaphylous leaves, they show sarcinate verniciation, they have shuri on leaf margin, they are homosporous. Marsilea, their features include aquatic fern, four-lobed leaves, sporocarp is present, they are heterosporous, they are called also called as water clover. So today we discuss the general characteristics of pteridophytes, their reproduction, classification according to Gifford and Foster, 1989, evolutionary trends, affinity with bryophytes, and a brief account of important genera. In the next lecture, we will move toward gymnosperms. If this lecture helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep growing with biology. Thank you.